Hello, welcome back to the channel. Um this is me, Sage. Today I'm gonna bring you what I've been working on these past couple days, what I call DreamCode. It's one of a massive coding library that I'm creating for different multiple systems. But right now this is the one for Unity. What this is meant to do, it's not it's not what you really think it is. It's something different. Um I'm creating this because I do a lot of coding. I create a lot of different systems, and I've been meaning to do this one for a while because it's gonna increase my productivity on what I could do and how fast I could do it, and making it real quick. This in this system, it consists of many what I call code snippets. Some of the systems are meant to work individually on their own. Well, um, it's also meant to be able to use as a multi-purpose coding library for writing your own coding. It takes time to do a lot of research when you're wanting to write a specific system or something, and that research could go into multiple hours of time. To maybe you might not have an example of a code that works, that you need an example for to write your own coding. And at times you run into a lot of coding that does not even work um, for your code examples. So if you're a self-taught person like I am, I mean, I do got some schooling, but I'm self-taught in a lot of multiple areas, and I like anything that when you're doing something on your own, I like little things you could do to cut down that process a lot. So that's what this really is meant to do. I find it to gonna be a very useful system. Uh, it will have just about any code example that you could possibly think of when I'm done. By the time I'm done, some things I just have placed in simple things. It's like one of the things that I'm getting warnings of right now is for the different particle systems that scripts that I'm creating. I got coding in there that I got to go back and everything because things change in coding after time, and so I got to go back and just fix a few things, but nothing major. These are the only four warnings right now. They're all towards particles, which this is what's in the first package. I will probably be updating this weekly. So if you can find some use for for this, which I'm pretty sure you will, because I'm not making the. It's not me personally. I'm not using it to make a game right now, and everything. My purpose is, and everything. By the time I'm done with this, to easily create a game with any possible solution I might add to it in the future, with all within a few minutes. I'm trying to cut something that takes days and days of work to do down to a fraction of a few minutes, and that's what this is really meant to do, and everything. And so, and there's a lot of times where you might need just something like a simple, or like for an AI to just go to a specific location. You might need a simple pooling system. It's it's gonna do all that. It's to take the place of anything that you might be missing in your project to easily create your game as well. Like I say, the this is meant for to highly speed up my coding time in the future. It's more. I basically use every I love when I create a system and I can reuse it for multiple different purposes, and that's truly what this is, and everything. But anyway, the only thing in this is right now is we'll go ahead and delete this. We don't need it. Delete. We don't need that and everything. The only thing in this is just the script library right now. I will be adding in push systems into it later that you'll be able to use with possibly any project that you may use. Hopefully, it will speed up your time as well. The thing is, there'll be a few little tricks to it. I'll try to share certain tricks with you to increase your times up a lot. Um, like, and this is actually one of many different packages I'm getting ready to release. And so, like I say, I ask you just to, if you use anything, if you see anything that may could maybe could be adjusted, please give me feedback. I love feedback. It helps me improve on what I'm doing. Right now, this ain't tested with any assets. I have plans on testing it with other assets when I get more done to it. But yeah, there's stuff in here like simple waypoints, system, video player script, a bunch of different elements. Like I say, there might be something missing in the game. I deal with GKC a lot. Love it. It's awesome and everything. The developer's great. He's worked on it for many years. I've been keeping track of it for many years. And there's times where you don't have systems that ain't currently added in. So this is to maybe you might see if you use GKC and there's a system you need, maybe you could quickly add it in using this stuff into an official solution done by GKC if you prefer to go that way. But this system is meant to open up options and open up a lot of options and quickly open up those options and reduce time down a lot and everything. Remember, this is not some of this code. Some of these scripts ain't finished. Some of these scripts may only have a line or two of code to them. I will be going back and updating things as I go. It's just right now I'm trying to get a lot of things in it for multiple different things. It takes time to write coding, especially when you're doing it from scratch. and gotta go back and I'll tell you what, Google is great. But I'm trying to save down on a lot of research time by going ahead and writing simple systems and such that work right out of the box. And that's what the goal of this is. And to also, like I say, so I can have references when I go writing my more advanced coding that I like to do so much. But anyway, I'll let you go. We're getting close to 10, and we're not quite to hit that 10. But anyway, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.